Which automotive sound deadening material is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Killmat 50mm. Let's kick things off with the Killmat 50mm sound deadening mat. Priced at $69.99, this product caught my attention with its impressive 4.8-star rating from over 26,000 reviews. If you want to eliminate annoying road noise effectively, this is worth a serious look. This sound deadening mat features a 50mm thick butyl and foil construction, which means it's not just about blocking sound. It's designed to handle rattles and vibrations too, ensuring a quieter ride. The self-adhesive layer makes for a hassle-free installation, perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Plus, it covers 50 square feet, which is generous for most vehicles. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The weight of 0.35 pounds per square foot gives it enough density to absorb sound efficiently. With 300 plus sold in just the last month, it's clearly a favorite among car owners. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tedious if you're not experienced. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the included instructions, it's totally manageable. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid balance of effectiveness and ease of installation. Skip this one if you need something thicker and more heavy-duty, since it's not the thickest option out there. For the price, you're getting fantastic value for what it delivers. Now, if the thickness of the Killmat 50mm concerned you, the next product on my list might be just what you need. Product number 2, Killmat Extra 100mm. Up next is the Killmat Extra 100mm, priced the same at $69.99. This product also boasts a 4.8-star rating with over 26,000 reviews. If you're after some serious insulation, this is definitely worth your attention. The standout feature here is that it's 100mm thick, effectively doubling the insulation power compared to the standard options. This means you're getting significantly better noise reduction, perfect for those long drives where sound can be a real distraction. The self-adhesive aspect remains user-friendly, and it covers 25 square feet. Here's why this matters. The weight of 0.68 pounds per square foot means it's heavy-duty enough to tackle not just road noise, but also vibrations that can make your ride uncomfortable. With 500 plus sold in the last month, it's clearly making waves. However, some users pointed out that the thickness can make it a bit challenging to fit in tight spaces. But honestly, if you're determined to achieve a quieter cabin, that's a small price to pay for the benefits you'll gain. This is perfect for you if you drive a performance vehicle and want to keep the interior quiet. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to handle. For the performance it offers, the value is undeniably there. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a balance between thickness and coverage. Product number 3, Killmat 80mm. Next, we have the Killmat 80mm sound deadening mat, available for $69.95 and also holding a 4.8-star rating with 26,300 reviews. If you want a middle ground between thickness and soundproofing, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this mat is its 80mm thickness, which offers a sweet spot for those needing solid noise reduction without going overboard. This self-adhesive mat covers 36 square feet, and with a weight of 0.5 pounds per square foot, it effectively dampens sound while remaining relatively easy to work with. You'll really appreciate how it cuts both road and engine noise, making your drives much more enjoyable. Some users mentioned it being a bit tricky to reposition once applied, which can be frustrating. But here's the thing, if you plan your layout before sticking, it's really not an issue. This is perfect for you if you want good insulation without the bulk of heavier materials. Skip this one if you need the maximum soundproofing available. For its price, it offers great performance, making it a solid choice for the average driver. Now, if you're looking for even more coverage and solid performance, the next product might be exactly what you need. Product number 4, Killmat 10 square feet. Now let's look at the Killmat 80mm 10 square feet mat, priced at a budget-friendly $24.95 and still holding a 4.8-star rating. If you're looking for an affordable option to reduce sound, this could be your best bet. This product is similar in thickness to those we've just discussed, but with a smaller coverage area of just 10 square feet. It's still a self-adhesive butyl and foil material, making it easy to install. The weight of 0.5 pounds per square foot ensures decent sound absorption, which is great if you just need to tackle a specific area like door panels or trunk space. The user-friendly application means even beginners can get great results. However, it may not be enough for larger vehicles or extensive projects. But honestly, if you just need to address minor noise issues, this is a great choice. This is perfect for you if you're working on a small area or just want to test out sound deadening. Skip this one if you need full vehicle coverage. For the price, it's an excellent way to dip your toes into soundproofing without breaking the bank. Now, if you want to step up from a simple budget choice, the last product on our list offers some serious performance. Product number 5, Sealess 80mm. Finally, we have the Sealess 80mm Sound Deadening Mat, priced at $69.95. This product also scores a 4.8-star rating from over 5,000 reviews. If you need something designed for high-performance applications, this one's worth considering. The Sealess mat boasts an advanced formulation, which means it's made with a high-quality damping material that excels in reducing sound and vibrations. It covers 36 square feet, and its ease of installation with a peel and place application makes it very user-friendly. No messy adhesives needed. The thickness gives it a strong presence for handling noise effectively, ensuring your ride remains peaceful. Some users noted that it could be a bit heavier to work with compared to other options. But honestly, if you want high performance, the trade-off in weight is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're an automotive enthusiast looking for top-notch soundproofing. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight and easy-to-handle option. Considering its quality, the price is very reasonable for what you get. So there you have it, 5 solid automotive sound deadening materials. From the Killmat 50mm for general use to the Sealess for high-performance needs. Each has its strengths. Remember, the right choice depends on your specific requirements. So, choose wisely for a quieter ride.